Welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Mina ngingumama uThando. Lo nguKhomba. Wena ungubani? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Mngani, let's sing the Sawubona song and greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Yebo, sawubona mngani. When someone greets you and says, sawubona, remember, even though we say it means hello, but really we are saying, I see you. I acknowledge you. You exist and you matter. So, to respond to sawubona, you respond by saying, yebo, sawubona. Now, mngani, unjani? I think, just so that we can think of the right expression there, let's sing imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Now I'll ask you again, unjani? Oh mngani, thank you for letting me know. Ngiyabonga ukungazisa. Mina nginjani? Oh, ngiyaphila mngani, ngiyaphila. It's not cold like yesterday. But it's a bit cool though. It's a bit cool, I must say, but not like yesterday. So, it's a better day. Mngani, let's get started with the days of the week. I am going to read all the days of the week out to you. Then we sing them. Let's start. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo. Now, let me put Khomba down. Now, mngani, let's sing the days of the week in isiZulu. But remember, for this song, you can stamp your feet, snap your fingers, clap your hands, chigiza, whatever you feel like doing, mngani, as long as you're safe and having fun, but also helping yourself to pronounce the words correctly and to memorize the words. Let's go. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. That was great, mngani. Now tell me, ulwesingaki namhlanje? Yebo mngani, ulwesithathu. Mngani, repeat this after me. Namhlanje ulwesithathu. Very, very good mngani. Ulwesithathu namhlanje. Ulwesithathu, ulwesithathu, ulwesithathu namhlanje. Ulwesithathu, ulwesithathu, ulwesithathu namhlanje. Yebo. Ulwesithathu namhlanje. Uma namhlanje kuwulwesithathu, izolo bekuwulwesingaki? If today's Wednesday. Yebo mngani, bekuwulwesibili. Mngani, repeat this after me. Izolo bekuwulwesibili. Very good mngani. Uma izolo bekuwulwesibili, kuThangi bekuwulwesingaki? Yebo mngani, kuThangi bekuwumsombuluko. Repeat this sentence after me mngani. kuThangi bekuwumsombuluko. Very good mngani. Uma namhlanje kuwulwesithathu, kusasa kuzobe kuwulwesingaki? Yebo, kusasa kuzobe kuwulwesine. Repeat this after me mngani. Kusasa kuzobe kuwulwesine. Very, very good mngani. Uyiphendule yonke imibuzo emine. You answered all the 4 questions. Now mngani, I would like to know, linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Mngani, you can go and check outside and see what the weather is like where you are and come right back to tell me. Don't worry, I'll be right here waiting for you. Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Usubuyile mngani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Oh, thank you for letting me know. Ngiyabonga ukungazisa. Well, I would like to know what the weather is like here, where Mama Tando's isiZulu classroom is. I think we should call the imaginary window. Can you call him with me? Let's say, imaginary window, Woza. But be loud so you can hear us. Let's go. Imaginary window, Woza. Sawubona imaginary window. Ngicela ukubona emnyango. Let's look mngani. Look at that. So gloomy. Dark. Can you imagine it's this dark during the day? It is overcast. Overcast. We say in isiZulu, liguqubele. Liguqubele. Will you repeat that after me, mngani? Liguqubele. Very good, mngani. Well, let's thank the imaginary window for showing us outside and say bye to him as he dashes off to go and do his work, showing other people outside. Ngiyabonga, imaginary window. Hamba kahle. So helpful. Now, mngani, we now know liguqubele. It is overcast, cloudy and gloomy and boring. Anyway, now I want to say this in a complete sentence. So let's put the word liguqubele on the board. Mngani, namhlanje izulu liguqubele. Will you repeat that after me? Namhlanje izulu liguqubele. Very, very good, mngani. Well, mngani, remember, the whole of iNingizimu is in winter right now. And winter in isiZulu is ubusika. Ubusika. Will you repeat that word after me? Ubusika. Very good. Now, let us move on over to the sound of this week. The sound of this week is made up by two consonants, and that is CH. When they are together like that, they make up this sound, which is a little softer, lighter than the C sound and the NC sound. Let's say this sound with all onkamisa vowels. Repeat after me. Very good, mngani. Now, mngani, let us learn two words today that have this sound in them. One you hear me say all the time when we sing, Ngizwa imvula, ngizwa imvula, and we say, chapha chapha imvula, chapha chapha imvula, sengithiwe chapha chapha. Repeat that after me, mngani. Chapha chapha. Very good, mngani. That is raindrops, the sound of raindrops. The next word is ichibi, ichibi, and that is a lake or a pond as well. Ichibi. Repeat that after me, mngani. Ichibi. Very good. Now listen to these words and pay attention to all the C sounds. Cela, cela, to ask. Incazelo, incazelo, an explanation, a definition. Ichibi, ichibi, a pond or a lake. Did you hear the different sounds with the letter C in them? Cela is just the C on its own. Incazelo is the NC. Ichibi is the CH, this week's sound. Practice these, mngani. Use them all the time so that you can master them. Now, mngani, let's move on to the number of the day. Not of the week, but of the day. The number of the day is ishumi nesikhombisa. Ishumi nesikhombisa. That is 17. When we look at this number, we see three parts of it. We see ishumi, that word is 10. Then we see nesikhombisa. The last part of it we are very familiar with because isikhombisa is 7. But what is ne? And where is the I? Isikhombisa. Well, we'll talk about that in future. What happened to that I? It's very important and you'll find it so useful. So that NE part is telling us and then 7 units. So we are saying a 10 and 7 units. When we say ishumi nesikhombisa, place value is very, very important in isiZulu numbers because that's just what you're going to encounter the whole time as you're working with numbers in isiZulu. And so I'd like you to be familiar with place value so that you can understand the numbers and you can also write out a number on your own. Now, let's see how we can use this number. Oh, look at that, 17 houses. Indlu is a house. Indlu. Izindlu, houses. 17 of them. Now, mngani, let's say that. Let's say 17 houses in isiZulu. Yebo mngani, we start with the noun. Izindlu. Now let's say 17 of them. How are we going to start this? Yebo, whenever we describe a word that starts with easy, the adjective is going to start with easy. So we've got that now. And then we have our number. Ishumi nesikhombisa. Oof. Mngani, you did this yesterday, but you fixed it too. Can you fix it now? Because now it says I can't even say it properly because it's just so wrong. Oh, you fixed it now. How did you fix it? That's it, mngani. When we have these two vowels next to each other in our numbers, we separate the vowels with a consonant. But which consonant are we going to use? If the second vowel is I, the letter I in English, we separate them with the consonant Y. And now we have eziyishumi nesikhombisa. Now, let's say the whole sentence. Izindlu eziyishumi nesikhombisa. Repeat that after me, mngani. Izindlu eziyishumi nesikhombisa. And now we have 17 cars. Izimoto are cars. Now, mngani, let me give this one to you. How are we going to say 17 cars? Pause the video and take your time to answer this question. And what was the answer? Yebo mngani, that is correct. Izimoto eziyishumi nesikhombisa. Very, very good mngani. Now, moving on to the shape of this week. The shape of this week is, wait, ukukhomba. Where is khomba? There is khomba. The shape of the week is indingilizi. And also we could say indilinga. Two words that say a circle and that say round in isiZulu. I have explained to you, Mngani, that most of the time people use either one of those words. But I would like you to associate the word circle with indilinga, the word round with indingiliza. You can also end that noun indingiliza with an A, and you can also end it with an I. Both of them are correct. Now, we have, how many do we have? Let's see, fine. We have 2 big circles, right? So let's start there. Izindilinga ezimbili ezinkulu. 2 big circles. A blue circle. Can you make that one? Remember, we say indilinga for circle. Yebo mngani, indilinga eluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka. A blue circle. And now let's say a red circle. That's correct, mngani. Indilinga ebomvu. Now, mngani, there are so many little ones. Maybe let's leave that for tomorrow. Let's leave that for tomorrow. But isn't that just the cutest circle family you've ever seen? I think their surname, their last name is Dilinga. Mngani, we had such a wonderful lesson. And now I want us to just get on up, stretch our bodies, move a little bit. First of all, let's jam to Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Kunye.
Kunye.
Kubili.
Kubili.
Kuthathu.
Kuthathu.
Kune.
Kune.
Kuhlanu.
Kuhlanu.
Isithupha.
Isithupha.
Isikhombisa.
Isikhombisa.
Isishiya galombili.
Isishiya galombili.
Isishiya galolunye.
Isishiya galolunye.
Ishumi.
Ishumi.
Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Oh, Mngani, that was so cool. I had my air guitar. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. And now, let's move with our Let's Move song. Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, jikeleza, jikeleza, eceleni, gijima, zilule, shaya izandla, and move my body after all that learning we did namhlanje. Mngani, I will see you tomorrow. Ngizokubona kusasa. Sala kahle.